Hi. So this is a breathwork practice that is really, it's based on the Wim Hof method, which I have loved for many years. We're going to do a version of that today. So you probably already know that doing any kind of breath work is really supportive of your internal clarity, the clarity of your energy body. It reduces stress. It can help you to sleep better. It's going to support you when you exercise. It's going to help your muscles and your joints to be able to perform better. It's going to boost your immune system. So many great benefits from breathing. So the practice that we're going to do today is we're going to do 3 rounds of 20 deep breaths through the mouth. At the end of 20 deep breaths, and I'll be counting, I'll be cueing you, you're going to exhale completely and hold the breath out for 1 minute. Then you're going to inhale, we'll hold the breath for 15 seconds, and then drop back into 20 more deep breaths through the mouth. So this is the practice. Excuse me. So we'll get started. You can do this sitting up or laying down. I prefer sitting up. I've always preferred doing breath work sitting up. Lots of people like to lay down. You can do either one. I guess I will also tell you that a couple of things that you might experience during this practice. You might feel some lightheadedness. If you do, that's okay. If it starts to feel like an extreme lightheadedness that's verging on dizziness, please stop the breath and just breathe normally. You might experience tetany, which is where the hands start to just involuntarily curl into a claw shape. It's perfectly safe, and it will release if that starts to happen. It doesn't usually happen during the practice that we are about to do, but depending on where you're at today and how much breathwork you have in your life on a regular basis, you might experience some of that. Okay, so here we go. Closing the eyes. And just taking a normal deep breath to settle in. Softening the gaze of the eyes back and in, so you're moving away from external stimulation and going deeply inward. And setting an intention for presence with the breath, for clearing of anything that needs clearing today by way of the breath, and an opening to flow in your life, in your heart, your mind, every part of your being, and the reality that you're creating. We're opening to flow. So here we go, beginning your 20 deep breaths. Exhale completely. Hold the breath out. Inhale. Hold the breath. And exhale. Inhale. Now exhale completely. Hold the breath out. So while you're holding the breath out, I invite you to relax the body. Just relax. Just easy holding the breath out. Notice where the energy is moving in the body. You might feel tingling sensations in different parts of the body. And deep inhale. Hold the breath. And exhale. Inhale. exhale completely. Hold the breath out. Notice if you can feel energy moving through your body while you continue to hold the breath out. Inhale. Hold the breath. And exhale. Breathe normally. You might find that you naturally take a couple of deep breaths, returning to nose breathing. Just relaxing, feeling the energy circulating throughout your body. We're just going to sit for a few minutes, relaxing the body, and bringing your awareness into the third eye, the point between the brows, and just resting your awareness here. Letting the breath settle. There's nothing else you need to do. Being in the third eye. Letting your awareness drop down and into your heart space. And from here, just expanding to include your whole physical body, which also includes your whole energy body, your entire light system, your radiance. Feeling the blessing of the breath. So you can take a few moments to complete. And when you're ready, come on out into the space with your eyes open. Great job. So as you become more used to this practice, you might find it easier and easier to hold the breath out. You can set a timer for yourself. I like to use the Insight Timer app. You can set interval bells so that it chimes for you at the end of each section. So instead of doing 20 breaths at the beginning, you might do 2 minutes of deep breathing, followed by a minute holding out the exhale, and then a 15-second relief breath. They call it 15 seconds, the inhale and hold. You might even increase the holding of the out breath for 1.5 minutes or even 2 minutes. So this is a great practice to do on its own or before you do really anything else, a journaling practice or a deep meditation practice, or just as a reset in the middle of your day, a way to start your day, or even to help you towards sleep at the end of the day. You feel it out and see if it feels energizing for you or if it brings easy, restful energy and state of mind. Great job. Thanks for practicing.